This is a giant Kota Damansara. You can see it's a beautiful shoes here. And there is a man's leather slippers. And the ladies bag here. And here is the perempuan and ladies sandals is here. And this one is 40% sale. So example is this one. 40% will be like maybe 70 to 75. Yeah, something like that. And this one, this is for elderly people. This one 40% also, so maybe like 30 to 35 ringgit, about 400 peso only. Like, it's good for our mother. It's very strong. And there, here, you can see it's many option. And this handbag. Wait, let me see the pricing. 139 less, yeah, 83, about 1,000. It's so pretty. So pretty, pretty.